Alright, what's up YouTube? This your boy Chris. I'm back again with another episode of Let's Talk About Trucks. Today's episode is going to be about doing brakes on a trailer. We get to do a set of brakes on one of my trailers, Stepdeck 53 foot. So I'm going to try to do a step-by-step. If not, at least you'll be able to see that it can be done. It can be done by yourself if you got the right amount of tools and you know what to do. That's why I do these videos. Stay tuned, stay pumped, let's get it. Alright, we just got done at the parts house. I'm not too sure if this camera can see me or what the angle is, but we'll head back to the shop and get these brakes put on, finish up this video. Peace. Okay fam, what's up everybody? Yesterday when we put the new shoes on, we didn't explain necessarily how everything was put together. But when you get your new shoes, you're gonna have an install kit. It comes with everything that you need to put your brake shoes on, back on your truck or your trailer. Inside the kit, what we're gonna have is, we're gonna have 2 rollers with a roller holder. I don't know if you can see that or not. But you put the roller holder right on the little the roller, and you set that off to the side. And it's also going to come with 2 springs, 2 brand new springs. I said 2 rollers, but it actually comes with 4. It comes with 4 rollers. My fault. And when you take your old shoes off, you'll see there's rollers that stay inside the axle on the trailer. But and that's up to you. It's installer's discretion. You could replace these rollers, or you could use the old ones. You don't necessarily have to replace these. That's the ones at the top. But the ones at the bottom, absolutely have to be replaced with this roller holder on there. All right. You're gonna once you put your new ones on, the holders on, you're gonna take that and put it inside the bottom of the shoe like that. Oh, my fault. I got it backwards. Okay. This is how it goes on there at the bottom. You're gonna squeeze that spring, that little. Hold on. Squeeze that and push it inside the. It's supposed to. Give me a second here. Let's try it like that. Yeah, squeeze it. And then push down on it. Okay? It goes in and it snaps in place. Of course, it don't want to be a butt head today, but maybe I went too far with it. There you go. Perfect. That's that. Not too sure if you can see that or not. Hopefully I wasn't in the way. But you got the roller on there at the bottom. See how it rolls? Do that on both sides at the bottom. Here's another roller with a roller holder. Same thing. This one's all mangled up, but you understand the concept from the last one. I did that backwards. That's alright. But anyways, then you'll have 1 big spring and 2 small ones. You take and also it comes with 2 rods. Let me see. It'll come with 2 of these little rods. You're gonna tap that. A little rod right there. You're gonna tap that inside the bottom of the brake shoe as well with a hammer. This right here holds your big spring at the bottom. All right. So this one already has it in there, so I'm not really gonna display that. You'll understand. You'll get the concept. Also, when you take it off, pay attention to how it come off, so you'll know exactly where everything goes. So you take your, once you get your rods at the bottom tapped in, take your big spring, connect it to the rod, okay? Then connect both sides. Swivel it, boom, hold on, like that, like that. Oh, you see how that works? Now you're basically ready to go ahead and put the shoe on the trailer.